This is a handheld laser welding machine designed for real metal work. Compact, clean, and built for daily use. Let's start with square tubes. Straight edges, clear corners, this is where precision really matters. With laser welding, the heat stays exactly where it should be. No excessive spatter, no heavy grinding afterward, just a clean, narrow weld seam. Now, round tubes, same material, different challenge. Curved surfaces usually mean uneven heat, but laser welding handles it smoothly. The weld stays stable even along the curve, giving you a uniform and solid joint. Here comes the window frame. Multiple parts, multiple angles, and very little room for error. Laser welding helps keep everything aligned, reduces deformation, and saves you from the classic question, why doesn't this frame fit anymore? From square tubes to round tubes to a fully welded frame, the results are consistent and clean. That's what good laser welding should do, make the work easier, not louder.